Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Handmade by Gardina, and today I'm going to show you my design team project for SS Digital Studio. It's vintage rose folio, and what I'm going to do is I am going to add it with my July project that I'm doing. July product, or my July, excuse me, for my reach is called the Vintage Rose Digital Kit. And this is called the Vintage Rose Folio. So I'm going to add them. I'm going to add this with this and make it all one big journal. So let me show you the pages. So here's one page. It's and I have it printed on this tan paper, and it's pink with some dark edging with lines on it. So there's that page, and here's a bigger page with the same thing. Very pretty paper. And this is another background page with no lines. Okay, here is another background, and it's the dark, and you can see the cafe's chocolate written in French through here. You may not be able to see it on camera, but in person you can see it. The camera probably doesn't give it justice. And here you have a little pocket here, flip out. You have a pocket here, a big oval here, and a big oval here. And here you have two little pages for your folio, but I'm not going to make the folio. I'm going to add it in with my journal and make it one big thing. Here you have a torn pocket here, a little mini tag, and a tag here. Both of these kits are just absolutely stunning. You have some small tags here, some ephemera here. This says beautiful. Labels, some pockets. Here you have a large oval shaped here that you can make it into like a journaling tag. Tags here. And here you can make these into like journaling cards. Here is what I will make these probably. And then here you have a torn pocket here with a tag, journaling card here, some circles, small piece of ephemera here. Here you have some tags and another tag, and you have all of these words. It says bliss, lovely, love, magic, rose, vintage, and here you have number labels. So you have all these labels up here. And then you have some pocket here. You can make this a floating pocket. You have a tag here and two pieces of small oval ephemera here. Here you have a large tag here. You can make this into a tag, a long narrow tag here, and you have a label that says journal here. Background page here with some roses on it. Here you have some more pockets. Torn pocket here. Torn pocket here. Some roses, ephemera, journaling tag, or a tag. These two kits are just absolutely beautiful. You have a pocket here, large skinny tag here, number label there. And here would be the front of your folio that says memories. So that is the digital kit. And it is called Vintage Rose Folio. And I'm going to add it with the Vintage Rose digital kit. So I'm going to add it all together. And it's all by SS Digital Studio by Banya. She makes beautiful kits. I will put in the description box her Etsy shop. And she also has a Facebook group. And I will put that in the description box also. So go check out her Facebook group. Go check out her Etsy shop because she has such beautiful kits. I cannot express how beautiful her kits are. You have to go check them out. And they're priced just so reasonable. They're beautiful. And you can use them over and over and over again for so many different projects. So, I mean, I just can't express that enough. So, thank you to all my subscribers, all my new subscribers, all my current subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you all so much. Without you all, I wouldn't have a channel. You all mean the world to me. I appreciate you very, very much. I am blessed to have you all, and I'm thankful to have you all. And remember to smile each and every day. Smile today for yourself. Smile today for another person, and hopefully that other person will pass along that smile, and we can pass along smiles across the world. That would make the world a better place. And I'm also going to put a bonus video up. I had told you in a couple of videos ago that I was going to go to Greenup, Kentucky to a Jimmy Buffett event in Greenup, Kentucky. And they did an awesome fireworks show. And I caught about 13 minutes of it for you all. And I'm going to post that as an extra video for you. So check out that video. They showed some awesome fireworks to celebrate our veterans. They had awesome food. The food was so delicious. Oh my gosh. I would like to have a plate right now. They had awesome music. People done karaoke. They have some great singers. We had great fellowship with my AMVET family. I love my AMVET family. There are so many people that I have met across the state that have become family to me. And if you have AMVETs in your area and you're able to join, I would really like to encourage you to join because they just do so much to help our veterans. They help our community. They help our children. They help with scholarships. They help our VA clinics and everything. So, yeah, I want to do everything I can to help our veterans. And today is Agent Orange Awareness Day. So, there are a lot of Vietnam veterans out there that are suffering with Agent Orange. So I would like to tell all of you out there, if you're a Vietnam veteran and are suffering with Agent Orange symptoms, my prayers and thoughts are with you all. Thank you for your service. Thank you for your sacrifice. I truly appreciate you all. And that goes for each and every single veteran. I appreciate all of the veterans. Without your sacrifice, without your service, we wouldn't have our freedom. I wouldn't be doing this YouTube channel because you all give us our freedom. So I truly appreciate all of our veterans. So thank you very much. So you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you all in the next video, and we'll do some crafting. Have a good day. Goodbye.